Hello. I thought I'd share a little Happy Mail thing. Some of these were already fussy cutted, but I went through and kind of organized a little more than normal, and I did a little fussy cutting of things. I cut these people out, and see, they actually have all their parts: hands and feet, shoes. So, well, he's tucked his hands in, but I think they'll make great little paper dolls. Decorate them a little, put them on something. But there's a lot of little fussy cut things in this box, and even words, little barriers. Ew. I think, oh, it just gets my imagination going. There was this catalog with all these signs in it, and that was a big catalog. But I got all these cool little pieces cut out here, and stop signs, all these words, and it was fun. You know, to do something with them is the challenge. But look, see, that would make a great little pocket or something, I think. And all these little pretty colors. Me and my bright colors. And then the little tags. They're real thin paper, magazine paper. So I'll have to back them, I'm sure. Or maybe I'll just make a pack for sale. I'm not sure. But even have the little people, my favorite number, little paper people symbols. And then there's more in this envelope that I did. Cut out things here. And then I was like, well, I'm cutting out too many. So I'll just stick them in a box. And then in the package was this little thing. I'm not sure what it is. Oh, I think it might have been a needle threader helper thing that is missing its little wire. Oh, sorry. But I can put that on something. And then these are the little needle helpers that don't have their little helper part. But I thought they were cool. And all these bags here, I will show you what I did with those. And these dryer sheets. Yep, I think these are some form of dryer sheets, which will be great. And then I tore up the bags, and I made different little things. That could actually be a mini journal that is an accordion type deal there. And this one is some form of mini journal, I'm going to think. And a before and after story. I think that must be for the words. This little cute thing that I'll have to use is like a window in a portal on a cover or something. A little box. That's cute. These things I love. They're great for punching colors. And then I have a bunch of these that I have to do something with of my own. But it reminded me I have a whole drawer over there that has just tons of those. And a little cover, mini cover. And then these label pieces with the pretty blue. More just pieces of that bag that I took apart and folded up. And here's a clear bag that I can use for something. I figured these, I think, will be journal covers. I even made them or decorate, leave it so they have that nice yellow, and do like an insert into the signatures. And it could even be a signature page of a mini journal, or just a smaller page in a regular size journal, and little envelopes. I think you have to put something here so that doesn't glue down. So you won't want that to happen. But that's that. I made 2 of those. And here was a envelope. That's what it was. And I made it a belly band, I think, so you could glue the one side down. Decorate the side and then glue it in there. And then this nice cardstocky, it'll have to be roughed up a little bit with sandpaper, I'm thinking, to make things stick on it a little better. And then there's these little plastic things that were on something here, and a piece of, or an envelope. This, oh, it had sticky stickers and things on there. And let's see, what was I doing with this? I think I made this accordion, and I was going to show you that I just cut it here. And then I can glue or sew or whatever and make it a snippet roll. Or not roll, but accordion. Or maybe even do more of the little bends in it and make it a little, what do you call it, lacy, or frilly edge trim or something. But these are to actually decorate for supplies. And then I have a mini journal pocket that could go in. Let's see if I got, I'm going to use this as a mini journal, so it would go on it like that. And here is some words. And an old dog. He looks like he needs to be retired and enjoy life, sitting around in front of the fireplace. Yeah, that's. And I have these. I accidentally cut off of the word, but I have 2 cards that are exactly the same. So, words. And more fussy cutting. I thought those would be cute. And I love the hands on them. Words, little pictures. Letters. That's a fussy cut. And here is the one that I accidentally cut that last O off of. And then I have this card. Yeah, like this. And this one has the whole thing. I thought that would be a good pop out, or maybe I'm not sure, but definitely something to put in a junk journal. And then I cut these off and some kind of advertisement. And these are little sticker things that you get from your pet stuff. And I'm planning on gluing pictures here and then cutting them out, because then they can be peeled off and used. And just scrap paper, more stickies, good cardstock for tags, a little thank you note, some stickers, dinosaur stickers, and cardstock, and another one of these. But this one doesn't have the back, so it would just be decorated up and glue it for a belly band or a pocket or a tuck or something. This is a nice pink envelope inside piece. And then these sceneries, I like those. Great scenery pictures. And the flag. And then some more envelopes that I took apart, because I like to take them and put them inside out so that the pretty side is on the outside. And I'm getting anxious to do something with all the envelopes. I have just a ton of security envelopes that I want to do something with. Some good little sticker paper that will work for all these magazine papers. And then these will make little mini journal signature pages. And a pretty little blue tuck. Another blue envelope pocket. And then some more of these labels. Red and blues. Pretty. And they're like brown bag thickness. And then another one of these from an envelope. Do not bend. Some more of these that I folded. A little envelope that's a nice size, maybe to tuck in or over the edge of the page. A security envelope. These are great. And it's this little frame. And these big window envelopes. There's a big envelope. Another window envelope. But this is nice, good, strong envelope. And then these are interesting. I'm not exactly sure, but I took them off because the back side is really going to make great pockets, I think, these back sides. And I took them off that's what the other plastic things were. But see how you get the different textures and colors of all these little sticky things, which they'll have to be made so they don't stick together and stuff. And here's some bigger ones. And I did some cutouts of these. Here, I'll show you. I did. Took the punch and punched them out as close to the edges as possible. It's a little, punch is a little big, but the other one is too small. So just take ink around the edge there. And, oh, to get to it with the punch, I cut this little strip off so I could slide it in there. Oh, I was going to show you with this one how I do it. So I take and I cut that piece off there. Take the punch and line it up as close as I can to there. And then I have a nice little punch. And that's what all these are. They're black and white, but they're really pretty cool. And then I have the bags with these that I'll do something with. Little handle things. Little strips. Bookmarks, play bands. And this is the bag I was thinking for a used one with the other Happy Mail. But I was thinking before I cut this up and use it, I can actually put things, use it for putting things in, like this. And I have all these bags that I have folded or cut, made. This is like you can glue it down or decorate it and then glue it down and make 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets if you want. All these bags that I cut up, folded to make little journal covers or something. Also because they're a nice thickness for strength, and so you can take one of these longish bags and just kind of get this, and either you can make a tuck and make a cover with those. So lots of uses. This one's another bag that I thought maybe, use this as the little closure thing. And then the more dryer sheets, and then these tissue papers. They'll come in real handy also. And so that is today's Happy Mail that I had prepared for the video. And I hope you will like, subscribe, and share my channel. Here are my Etsy shops if you want to go check them out. Bye.